How to knit the left lifted increase. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you everything you need to know about the left lifted increase in knitting. LLI is very invisible and forms a super neat right leaning increase line. On top of that, this increase is actually quite easy to knit once you practiced it a couple of times. It is often also called KLL, knit left loop. Those are the exact same stitches. Here's how to knit the left lifted increase. Start by lifting the left loop of the stitch 2 rows below the one you just knitted back to your left needle. So go in from behind and lift it back to the left needle. And then knit that extra loop through the back loop. And that's already it. There is your LLI. Let's knit it one more time. So, lift the left loop back to your left needle. And then knit it through the back loop and drop it. Again, Again, lift and knit through the back loop. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. You can also do the lifting with the right needle, so like this, and then slip it back to your left needle. Some people find that is a bit easier, so I wanted you to know that. Anyway, that's how to knit the left lifted increase. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.